Hi everybody, I hope you're having a good day. I just received in the mail here something I purchased. So what I have is an H&H lockpick set. So I'm just going to open that up. What it is, it's a jackknife style lockpick set. So what we need to do is we have our tension tool right here. So just give that a little pull up and then pull that out. To access the picks, all you need to do is unscrew right here. We have a snake rake, a diamond pick, a city rake, 2 lock picks, and then a half snowman. So let's give that a try. We'll start out with using the snake rake, stiff to pull all the way out, and they're just held in by a screw at the back. So we'll screw that back in. Now the lock picks on this are really thin. The tension tool is quite a bit thicker. What I'll do here as well, I'll leave a link in the description to both Amazon and Wish where you can pick this up. There we go. And I got that almost instantly with the city rake. And there we go. So this is a pretty nice pick set. My other pick set that I have, they're kind of punched out metal and they're not smoothed out very well. These are nice and smooth. There's no sharp edges on this that's going to damage the inside of the lock, so you don't need to do any kind of preventive care to these prior to starting using them. You don't need to remove any of the anodizing or anything like that. The biggest complaint I'd have with these so far is this is the second lock I tried it on. The first lock I tried it on, the picks will fit in no problem at all. However, my tension tool is just too thick to fit inside that. So what I'd probably do is carry an additional tension tool along with me.